Portable air compressors are on the top of every do-it-yourselfer's must-have list, and these tools are handy for a wide range of purposes. The right portable air compressor can do everything from inflating your car tires, pool floats, and putting the power into your power washer or pneumatic tools. It's also great for paint sprayers and air-driven nail guns. A portable air compressor is a handy piece of equipment to have in your arsenal. These air compressors have so many uses around the home and job sites. If you've owned one for a few months, you'll wonder how you ever manage without one. Well, choosing the best portable air compressor available isn't always as easy as you'd expect. You search around on online retailers, and there are dozens of models available from a variety of manufacturers. So how do you know which one's the best for you? Well, in this video, we've compiled 5 of the best portable air compressors that'll help you decide which one suits you best. So join us as we introduce them one at a time. Let's begin. At number 1 is the Hyper-Tough 3-gallon oil-free portable air compressor. It boasts of a 3-gallon capacity with 100 max PSI and a 3rd horsepower engine. This means it can keep more air and give performance similar to a larger tank. The Power Tools owners celebrate its flip-up type of handle that allows easy and convenient carrying around your project area and allows you easy storage when your work is done. Its long hose helps you reach far areas. It operates with a working pressure of 0.7 CFM at 40 psi. And when this tool is in use, you'll be notified by the power light, letting you know that it's turned on and ready. It has a suction cup at the bottom that provides support when mounting by adding increased stability. This Hyper-Tough 3-gallon compressor is oil-free, which means it requires less time to maintain than other types. It also has 2 gauges to show that the cylinder pressure and the valve is open. The other gauge displays the pressure of the gas coming out of the regulator. These 2 can also indicate if the machine is healthy enough to work or needs checking. It has a large regulator knob that allows easy operation. So have your home covered by this powerful tool, from pumping your car tires, inflating those sports balls, air mattresses, cleaning your home, car, or garage floor, painting your walls, or using pneumatic tools. When assembled, it measures 19 by 9 by 14 inches, so add one now to use in your garage. At number 2 is the BRIGGS & STRATTON 8-gallon HOTDOG oil-free air compressor. This item flaunts its 1.5 horsepower universal motor and its 120 to 150 psi pressure valve that enables it to deliver high performance that you need from an air compressor. Equip it with an 8-gallon horizontal tank, it lets you finish your projects in less time. It was manufactured by the famous maker of small engines. Another great feature from BRIGGS & STRATTON is the excellent flow rate of 4.8 standard cubic feet per minute at 40 psi, which makes this item great with its performance and versatility, using it in different purposes. Because it is oil-free, it doesn't require a lot of maintenance, and it doesn't give off that offensive odor of fumes that gas compressors can make. Designed for ease and mobility, it has a removable handle for easy storage after you complete your work, and rubberized wheels for you to easily move it around the work area. Because of the sturdy wheels, rolling it around with bigger obstacles or stairs is even easier. Indeed, this HOTDOG tank air compressor lets you do many tasks. If you're bothered by finishing your wood flooring, then this machine will enable you to do that with ease, as it can do so many awesome tasks such as flooring, nailing, finishing, and others. It has a water condensation drain at the bottom for less mess. Nice and powerful for its size, it's 32 inches long including the handle, 22 inches high to the top of the motor, and 14 inches wide. The wheels are 5 3/4 inch tall and 2 inches wide. They're made from plastic rims with rubber treads. It rolls very easily on hard surfaces and has 2 feet on the bottom of the handle end that have rubber caps on them. Did you find which one you like from the first 2 items we presented? Well, if not, don't worry, we still have 3 more to cover. Before we continue, we'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel to get more reviews like this one, and tap the bell icon so you'll receive notifications when we upload our newest reviews. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the HART 20-volt cordless dual-function digital inflator kit. A 20-volt 1.5 amp chargeable lithium-ion battery operates this small power tool to increase its performance to produce up to 150 psi. It's so powerful it can inflate your tires in less than 4 minutes. It's perfect for your inflating needs from mattresses, kiddie pools, tires, and much more. You'll get your work done fast with this 3-pound air compressor machine. The incredibly small machine also features a hands-free operation. You can pre-program it and shut it off automatically once it reaches the preferred pressure, so you don't have to worry about overinflating or keep on bending back to check. It has a built-in LED light that you can use to illuminate while inflating at night or during roadside emergencies. It works with dual function in that it can inflate in 2 methods. One is the high volume, low pressure inflation, which is intended to inflate items with large air volumes at relatively lower PSI, such as air mattresses or pool toys. And the second is the high pressure, low volume, which is great for inflating items with low air volumes with higher PSI, such as car tires or basketballs. When you purchase this item, it comes with these accessories: a dual function inflator, battery and charger, high pressure hose, high pressure nozzle, press the valve attachment, sports needle, high volume hose, pinch valve nozzle, and operator's manual. This tool is so easy to store and takes up little space. It's lightweight and convenient. The hose can be attached to each end of the digital inflator, making it easy and neat to store. At number 4 is the Campbell Housefield 20-gallon 1.3 horsepower oil-free air compressor. This handy and powerful portable air compressor covers the DIYer's or contractor's need for partners in their automotive, nailing, spray painting, and home renovation projects. It boosts its capacity of 20 gallons in a vertical design. It's an oilless, maintenance-free pump and has a powerful induction motor that can stand a longer lifespan of up to 10 times compared to that of a universal motor. You won't have any problem with the easy-to-read gauges that allow you to check on the pressure. It's powered by a 120-volt household current and a tank capacity of up to 150 max PSI, with a 1.3 horsepower motor capable of filling the tank in just 7 minutes. It pumps at a rate of 4 cm at 90 psi, which means it allows you to finish your project fast with powerful performance. Like an oxygen cylinder on a wheel, the Campbell Housefield 20-gallon air compressor is a bonus that allows you to move this air compressor around your work area or job site. With the added hose attachment, you can reach higher places. Although small, this versatile performing machine can add even pneumatic jobs or automotive projects that require wrenches. It's a reliable partner for framing walls, building cabinetry, installing decking, general carpentry, roofing, home exterior painting, painting furniture, craft projects, and much more. Well, we've covered 4 of the best portable air compressors on the market, with 1 more to go. We always like to see your comments, questions, and suggestions, so leave them below and we'll attend to them as soon as possible. And now let's check out our final product. At number 5 is the BOSTITCH BTFP 3-kit compressor combo. This item comes with 3 tools that let you work on your nailer, stapler, and finishing nailer projects. When you buy this item, it comes with 3 other power tools that are used best to accessorize with this machine. The brad nailer drives 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 inches to 2 inches for a wide variety of applications, such as putting up crown molding around the house or working on any number of finishing projects. Second is the straight finish nailer, which drives 1 1/4 to 2.5 inch 16-gauge finish nails into flooring jobs. The third is the heavy-duty crown stapler, which can drive heavy-duty 3/8 inch crown staples from 1/4 inch to 9/16. Also included is a 15-foot air hose with a 1/4 inch by 25-foot fittings, and it offers plenty of length and maneuverability. It's perfect partner for a variety of home project uses. It's great for interior and exterior work applications, and it's easy to carry around your project site. It features a 150 max PSI 6-gallon tank, enabling long run time with quick recovery. This air compressor boasts of its feature of oil-free and maintenance-free pump, saving you from extra time cleaning the machine. It has a BOSTITCH high-efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application. It only runs at 78 decibels, so it's less noisy than other models. Most users have been delighted with its performance and dependability. And there you have it, the 5 best portable air compressors available on the market. By now, you'll have a pretty good idea of which compressor suits your needs. To check out the one you like the best, click the link in the description below and catch it at its best price. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, please write it down in the comments below, and our team will do the necessary research to give you what you want to know. Please click the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our growing community. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.